There we go. Oh, that's a nice brookie. Really nice brook trout. Come here, look at those colors.
Take me out, I wanna see big, big lights, they shine on me. I wanna lay my head and feel the beat. That's my way. That's my way. Take me out, I wanna hear big, big drums inside my ears. I wanna lay my head and face the fear. That's my way. That's my way. It's not a big thing, but it's so hard. Now that you've touched my useless heart. It's not a big thing, but I wanted to start.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today's video was a blast to film. Caught a ton of fish. I ended up heading to a state forest that is about 2 hours away from me. I just took a PTO day from work, just wanted to get out for a full days of fishing. Ended up getting 2 videos out of the day, so this is the first one. Hit about a mid-sized stream to start. I wanted to try out this new rod that I got. It was recently stocked, which I actually kind of forgot about. It's a artificial lures only delayed harvest stream, so it's open year round, but they do stock it mid-March. So I ended up catching a ton of those. Probably got total fish well over 30 for the day, but did get some nice native brookies mixed in between, which is actually why I wanted to come to this stream. But the stockfish were nice in between, I guess. But yeah, so that's pretty much the gist of this video. It was just a lot of fun, a lot of fishing, not a whole lot else. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm just gonna take you right into it. All right, guys, we are at the stream. It's a artificial lures only delayed harvest stream, so it's open year round. It was stocked recently last week, which actually I didn't really account for when I decided to come up here. I'm here for the wild trout, really, but that'll be a nice added bonus if we can get some of them. Most of the wild trout here I think are brook trout. I have caught some small wild browns as well, but wouldn't be nice, I guess, to get some sizable stocked fish in there. But I'm trying a new rod. Since it's a smaller stream, I know it gets tight. I just bought this 7.6. It's a Echo Carbon. Just using my Orvis Clearwater reel with it, but I know the stream can get tight, and I really wanted to test it out here. I'm actually going to a smaller stream after this, so it could be interesting, I guess, with this 3-weight if we get into some nice stock trout, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Seems like as good of a hole as any to start. Plenty of footprints already. There we go, fish on. Well, that didn't take long. Rainbow. Took the egg. Nice. Oh, come on, buddy. There he is. Nice. Good quick start. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Stock bow. Like I said, probably getting into some of those today. I assume the first few runs especially are going to be mostly stocked fish. It's one of the longer artificial lures only sections I know of, so I'm gonna try to explore a little bit, see if we can find some wild fish eventually. There we go, little one. Oh, that was a brookie. He came off. Shoot. First chance at a brookie today. I don't know if there's any others in there. Kind of caught me off guard. Wasn't expecting to get one because it wasn't a great drift. There we go. Little brook trout looks like. Yes. First brookie of the day. All right, so there he is, just a little guy. But man, are they pretty. Love me some little brook trout. See you, buddy. There we go. Wow. That is a small brook trout. He took the egg too. Egg's bigger than he is. Well, that is going to be one of the smaller brook trout you can catch. Took that egg. That's too funny. There we go. Fish on. Rainbow looks like. Yep. Not a bad one either. There we go. Got him. This guy's all fired up. There we are. Nice rainbow. He goes. There we go. Nice rainbow. A better spot here. All fired up. Definitely a different flight with this small 3-weight. Got him. Well, there he is. Pretty bow. Might have been in here for a little bit. I'm not sure how they do the stocking here, whether it's float stock or what. If it's float stock, I could see it being from this year, but we're pretty far up from any road access, so. Very little brookie. Yep, little brookie. Pretty one too. Let's go. All right, so here we are. Dark brook trout. Really pretty colors. Love those blue halos. Let's go. A little on the skinny side. There we go. Oh, that's a nice brookie. Really nice brook trout. Come here, look at those colors. Get in here. Let's go. Oh my God, it's a gorgeous fish. All right, guys, we got a gorgeous brook trout here. This is why this is one of my favorite fish. Look at those reds, man. Well, wanted to give you a better look, really, but I'm sure he'll be the thumbnail. This is a pretty fish. Oh, we got there's a golden rainbow in here. Where there's a golden rainbow, there's others. There's fish. Stalked brown. Ah, come on, Shane. Get in here. Yes, there he is. Brownie. I'm just gonna let him go. He's in too much of a hurry. I'm not even sure if you guys can see him, but there's a golden rainbow out there. Usually a good indicator of where other fish might be as well. I never get them to bite. I haven't caught one in like 10 years. Another one. Smaller brown. I probably won't mess with these fish too much. This is the third one I got. Casting by that golden rainbow, but he's with a bunch of others. It's one thing you can usually guarantee. All right, well, this is my third stocked brown out of this little pocket. They're certainly fired up. Try the upper part of this pool, or this run. Maybe something in there as well. Yep. Little bow. This one took the egg. There he is. All right, there we go. Little bow. Took the egg. That's probably going to be one of the last few fish. I'm fishing one or two more runs, but I've caught plenty of fish in this stream. I really want to hit some smaller wild trout stuff before today ends, so maybe we'll get one or two more before we get out of here. All right, guys, I am making my way back to the car. Hope you enjoyed this one. I am going to make a trek over the mountain to another stream in a different valley. It's gonna be a smaller stream, Class A Brook and Brown. Hopefully I have a video from that as well, so keep an eye out. Of course, things could change, but hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you hopefully when I'm catching some beautiful browns and brooks.